Welcome to this tutorial on how to remove the sticky header effect in WordPress to hide fixed navigation when scrolling. In this guide, every instruction is presented clearly so you can follow along with ease. We will walk through the process of accessing your WordPress account, navigating to the site editor, and making the necessary changes to your header's behavior. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to your WordPress website interface. Once you are there, locate the login area, which you will find in the top right corner of the site. Clicking on this login option will allow you to access your account and manage your site's settings. After clicking login, a prompt will appear that gives you the opportunity to choose a login method. To streamline the process, select the option that says Continue with Google. Once you choose your desired account, WordPress will authenticate your credentials and grant you access to the admin dashboard. After logging in, focus your attention on the area known as Quick Links, which is usually found on the dashboard. In this section, you will find an option labeled Edit Site. Click on this link to launch the site editor, a central tool for modifying the layout and behavior of various elements on your website. Within the site editor, your focus should now be on the header of your website. The header is a common element that typically contains navigation links and branding, and it is the area that you want to modify. Click directly on your header, and you will notice that the interface changes to reveal more detailed customization options. At this stage, it is important to bring your attention to the right-hand settings panel. This panel is designed to offer a comprehensive range of options tailored to the header and other site elements. Once you have the settings panel visible, you will need to click on the Block tab. The Block tab is dedicated to managing the various content blocks that make up your website layout. Here you can view and adjust the design and behavior settings of individual elements, including the header block that you are working on. Next, scroll through the options in the right-hand settings panel until you find the section labeled Position. This area allows you to control how the header behaves on your website. Typically, headers are set to a default mode by design, meaning they remain static at the top of the screen even when you scroll down the page. However, to hide the fixed navigation during scrolling, you will need to change this setting. In this section, simply switch the configuration from default to sticky. Changing the setting to sticky alters the way the header interacts with the page scroll, implementing a new behavior that meets your intended customization. Following this change, your header no longer behaves in the original fixed manner when scrolling down the page. The modification ensures that the header adjusts its display according to the sticky setting, resulting in a more dynamic navigation experience for your site visitors. Each of these steps has been designed to help you quickly alter the appearance and functionality of your header in WordPress. By following this process, you can achieve a seamless navigation experience that enhances the overall user interface of your website. Enjoy the benefits of your newly adjusted header settings and the fresh look it brings to your WordPress site.